Okay, so
Welcome to Don't Know, Do Care.
yeah, all of that. And what I wanted to do was just try and introduce a few, call them bonus episodes or just a little bit of variety. I wanted to do try various forms of quiz shows, if you will. But
Oh no,
what do you mean? Oh no! The
I
ent-
don't remember anything.
The entire concept of a podcast is not knowing stuff and trying to learn them on the go.
Yeah, but quiz show means I will get competitive, but I will not remember jack shit. I forget regular words in the middle of
This-
चलो
Yeah,
सही है,
speaking.
that is the whole point. देखते हैं वही fun बनेगा ना.
That's the fun, no?
Fine.
And I'm just like dropping this on your guys' head. Obviously, since I came up with the idea, not the idea of the quiz show because it's an established concept, but I came up with the idea of doing it for our podcast. So yeah, so I don't know whether either of you is aware of this show format called Tenable.
No.
So Tenable basically is you will be given a time limit, so usually 3 minutes. So within the timeline, I'll give you a topic. You have to give me 10 answers to that particular category, right? So that if it's tenable, which means it's one of those 10. If it's not tenable, then it's not among those 10. Right? Who would like to start?
Prakhar.
So within your time limit of 3 minutes, I want you to give me 10 of the most spoken languages in the world.
Most spoken.
Most spoken by numbers, most spoken. It doesn't necessarily have to be in the order 1, 2, 3. It can be any of those 10, but it needs to be in the top 10. 1, 2, 3, start.
Hindi,
Tenable,
French,
not tenable.
oh, English.
So you have you have 3 lives basically. for that
okay.
part. So that is one gone.
ये पहले बताना था ना.
Now you know.
English,
Yes, tenable,
Tamil,
not tenable. That is 2 lives gone. Think of sheer numbers, number of people who are speaking that language.
Chinese.
Yes. Which one? What is the language which is most spoken?
I'll give you Chinese. Fine. It's Mandarin,
It's
but
Mandarin.
but
Mandarin?
yeah, Mandarin
Mandarin
Chinese.
is the
Isn't Mandarin
highest.
like the oldest?
One of the oldest, yes.
But also it carries forward that
Okay,
way.
okay.
Timer निकलता जा रहा है. You've got 3. You've got 2. 1 life left.
3 मिनट है तो आराम से सोचूंगा ना क्यों वेट करूं.
You've got 2 minutes left now. Just giving your timer. You need 7 more to go. Would you guys like me to give you clues in between? Or
Yes.
Yeah.
No? Okay. There might be a language which you possibly might be learning at a point of time.
Spanish.
Tenable. Then there are 3 more Indian languages.
Really?
तो जो हमें पता है.
I'm
that
sure
is-
you know. If it's an Indian language, you should know.
I mean,
No, मतलब there are so many.
but it must be one of the official 22.
Yeah.
Bengali.
That's tenable.
What the fuck?
Wow.
Oh shit.
Bengalis be
5 more to go.
fucking.
5 more to go.
I can say so. I'm a
Tamil
bit
side-
biased.
You've got the top 5 by the way. The bottom 5 are left.
Tamil you said is in.
Tamil is not tenable. You पहले तूने वो हाँ that's already done. Also think of the world map. Size.
हाँ
Scale.
वही. Russian.
Is tenable.
Amazing.
4 more to go.
इंग्लिश में भी बाइफिकेशन तो नहीं होगा. इंग्लिश.
नहीं English is English. And that's your time.
तो जल्दी खत्म हो गया.
Yes.
2 मिनट थे अभी तक.
There's one more English language, no?
No. There once
One more Indian language.
हाँ.
there are 2 more Indian languages. So you missed out on Portuguese. You missed out on Japanese.
Japanese बोलने वाला था.
You missed out on Punjabi.
Oh.
And you missed out on Marathi.
Marathi.
बड़ा स्टेट है मतलब.
Marathi is
मैं पंजाबी
also
कभी नहीं
very
गेस कर पाता.
fucking-
मैं इंडिया में स्टेट के हिसाब से मैं देख रहा था यूपी हिंदी मोस्टली चलती है लाइक बट पंजाब इज इन लाइक द वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट. मराठी yes I missed मराठी. मतलब महाराष्ट्र इज ह्यूज.
Also, you need to remember that India is the most populous country. So, even a state's population of India is bigger than most countries' population.
Correct.
तो टॉप
No.
स्पोकन में इंडिया की कितनी लैंग्वेजेस है? टॉप
4
So,
है ना?
Hindi is the fourth most spoken language in the world. Then Bengali is 5th.
ओके. ओह.
Then you
I
have
told you Bengalis be fucking.
Punjabi and Marathi are 9th and 10th.
ठीक है.
Obviously, Chinese is the most spoken,
Yeah.
right? Then Spanish is the second most spoken in the world. English is the third most. These are top 3, very natural. Like makes sense.
Chinese
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think population but English का third
Also
is
Spanish population, no?
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
there's
but
Latin America.
Chinese
All
is
of it
the
is
top.
population only. English also. It's British colonization.
Yeah,
that
yeah.
also.
वो इंग्लिश सिर्फ उसी वजह से आई है
हाँ.
वरना
Okay.
हाँ.
Next. So now it's Ashmita's turn. So you got a score of 6 because you got 6 answers. ठीक है?
I'm 6.
So basically, if you get 6 or more, you get 1 point. So we can do a race to 5
Eight
or race
seconds.
to
Okay.
10.
What is at stake? What are we getting if
You
you
guys,
win?
since you both are the competitors, you guys decide what you would like to
I
put on
want
the
1
line.
crore rupees.
Oh God.
Maybe let's be realistic.
I want to buy a house. I want
Okay,
1 crore.
whoever, we have to go buy beer after this. Beer and I
It's your
want
birthday.
some
Beer is
wine.
on you.
No. So whoever wins, that person does not have to buy. Whoever loses buys.
I was anyway going to
and
buy the beer.
Are we both in agreement?
beer and wine. I want wine.
The beer.
No.
Let's reach a consensus, please.
I don't want beer.
I don't want wine.
That's why both, no. Or you can do, if I lose, I buy beer for you. If you lose, you buy wine for me. And beer you buy for yourself.
Wow. तो मेरे लिए तो फिर beer बना ही नहीं रही. The fuck?
No, I think that's reasonable. That's reasonable. Are we in agreement?
Sure.
If you'd like to suggest something else, you will let me know.
Let's just play and then let's see.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं. We need to reach an agreement.
हाँ
पहले.
अभी तक तो था भी नहीं कुछ stake पे.
Because I didn't think it was there was going to
No,
be.
why? Prakar, I don't want beer. I will not have beer.
ठीक
So
है,
what am
done.
I getting?
Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So his score is 6 now. I'm
हाँ.
just saying it for the record. Okay. I need Ashmita. I need you to tell me the 10 largest countries by area in 1, 2, 3. Start.
Russia,
Tenable.
China,
Tenable.
Canada,
Tenable.
USA,
Tenable.
India,
Tenable.
Sri Lanka.
Afghanistan,
Not tenable. I would suggest going through each continent one by one. So
Australia.
maybe tenable.
Why are you reducing?
No, the 5 ho gaya. Now I'm closing 6.
Okay.
6.
Antarctica? But
Antarctica is a continent.
yeah, that's
talking about-
continent. Okay, wait. Mm, Nigeria?
Not tenable. Go through the continents. Go through the continents.
So there are 2 continents left. one is Europe and one is Africa. So I'm thinking, how much time do I have left?
You have about 1 minute 40 left.
Although Europe includes part of Russia, so Europe has such tiny countries.
You have 1 life left, right?
Yes, so that's why I'm not able to figure out which the
Score
fuck to
क्या
say.
कितना है?
5.
6. Now
Six.
it's the scores are level.
Fuck.
No, if she says the
If she
correct answer,
says
then
another one, then it's 7. She wins the
okay.
round.
Okay.
Sandy, give me another clue. He got so many clues.
Ask.
I would say there are more than 2 continents left.
Oh.
You're missing a very obvious one.
Latin American, this thing.
Very obvious one you're missing out. on.
Argentina.
It's tenable. The more obvious one would have been Brazil.
Brazil.
Brazil is massive.
Yes, Brazil. But I won this.
You won this round. I'll just go through the rest. You missed out on Kazakhstan
Kazakhstan.
and Algeria.
Algeria is big. I didn't know that.
Algeria is 10th biggest country by area.
Oh, wow. I didn't know this at all. Okay. Yes.
So that's 1-0 to Ashmita,
Yes.
right? Now this time you want to go the other way around. You want to start and he goes second.
Okay, sure.
Yeah? Or you want to keep the
नहीं
same?
नहीं चलेगा.
Now we're slightly ramping up in difficulty.
What do you mean this was difficult enough?
This was not
सुनो
that difficult.
खत्म करते हैं साथ में लेने चलते हैं दारू और fuck this.
I want you to name me 10 chemical elements named after geographical places.
I hate you.
We'll start in 3, 2, 1.
I cannot even recall one.
Oh, एक पता है मुझे.
10 chemical elements named
After geographical places.
Oh, एक तो शायद मुझे पता है. I think I'm right.
Oh wow, I can't even recall one. Sandy, give me the first clue.
Why don't you go through some European countries and think of some elements? Some very obvious run-of-the-mill European countries.
What? France, Germany, Netherlands, United Kingdom.
Okay, fine. Let's
That
do one
is
thing.
Europe.
Let's start again because I think this is a little bit too difficult.
It's
नहीं
too
यार
difficult.
अभी तेरे लिए भी इक्वली उतना वो मिलना जरूरी है ना.
नहीं मतलब मैं सोचा था कि आने दो, अच्छा लगेगा कंटेंट में.
हाँ, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है, but can somebody tell me?
एक नाम मेरे को आया था, आई डोंट नो इफ दैट इज करेक्ट, आई विल टेल यू राइट नाउ सो दैट आगे ना. नहीं फक इट, आप ही बता दो, बेइज्जती होगी.
So there is Francium after France. There is
Oh, एक second.
Polonium after Poland.
Fuck, I
Yeah.
thought exact name.
Yeah, no, but I don't even know Francium and Polonium and all of this.
Okay, fair enough. That's why I thought like Californium is one, Germanium is one,
What the fuck?
Berkelium, Dubnium.
Is lithium named after Lithuania or something?
No.
Okay, thank God.
इंडियनियम है कोई?
Okay.
No, Sandy, something that I will just
Yeah.
normally know.
Yeah. Let's start again.
Huh.
Round 2. I want you to name me 10 Olympic sports that use a ball in some capacity. 1, 2, 3, start. This is doable.
For you, not for me.
Can I take that question?
He would be very good at
That's why I asked her that question. No.
I don't know, is softball one of them?
Softball is tenable.
एक तो बहुत obvious है.
Is handball one of them?
It is tenable.
एक और बहुत obvious है.
But वो
Olympic sport.
But I don't know if it is Olympic or not.
नहीं, मैंने बोला है obvious है तो.
Is table tennis one of them?
It is tenable.
वैसे table tennis obvious नहीं था, but ठीक है.
Is tennis also
It
included?
is tenable. Yes.
Is football included?
Yes. It
इसलिए
is
वो बहुत
tenable.
obvious.
It is Olympic.
Yeah.
Is billiards included?
Billiards, I don't think is part of the Olympics. It's not an Olympic sport.
Okay.
So it is not tenable. That is one life gone.
Okay.
You got 5 more to go.
How much time do you have?
You have just a little under 2 minutes left.
Okay.
Think of some very obvious
Is
sports.
cricket one of them?
It is not tenable. 2 gone. 1 more life left. 5 more to go.
You said obvious. That was, as an Indian, that is the most obvious one to me.
More obvious sports. I mean, there are.
Can I make
Think
an
of your PT period in your school.
Can
What
I-
all sports would you play there?
Is basketball one of
It
them?
is tenable. That's 6.
Yes. Is volleyball one of them?
Yes, it is tenable.
Why did you give me a clue? Prakhar.
एक आना चाहिए ना जहाँ पे एपिसोड में. दारू हम दोनों.
Now there are a couple of tricky ones.
Okay, clue.
One is a very rich man's sport.
Is golf one of them?
It is tenable.
Okay.
That is 8. Now
You
I
said
mean,
there are 2 left?
no, there are now you've got two left.
Okay.
There were 3 left earlier.
And one life.
There are 50 seconds left. There are think of different terrains. Maybe
What?
Can I do an action maybe and you get it?
Yes, why not?
you
I
know
win
you will end
anyway.
up losing the.
दारू तो हम दोनों को मिल रही है.
Oh, I don't know what is that throw called. I don't know what that
You
is
have
called.
half a minute left.
Short put or
It
whatever.
is tenable.
Ah, okay.
9. 1 more to go.
Clue.
I will give you so many clues.
सारे भर के clue.
I can't feed you every answer. No.
मैं ऐसे पूछूंगा वही जवाब दे रही हूँ. टाइम.
5.
Pickleball.
Pickleball is not.
पिकबॉल बहुत न्यू स्पोर्ट नहीं है.
Such a nonsense sport. What was the 10th one?
I mean, you could have gone for water polo.
Water polo.
You could have gone for hockey.
Hockey.
Yes.
But hockey doesn't have a ball.
It is.
What do you think
It is a
they
ball.
hit around?
It's the put, no? That's what
No,
they call
no,
it.
that's ice hockey.
अरे what is that sport जिसमें घोड़े पे बैठ के वो खेलते हैं?
That is polo, but that is not an Olympic sport.
Okay. Water polo is.
Water polo is.
Nice.
हॉकी में बॉल नहीं होती. वो वाला हॉकी, आइस हॉकी.
Ice hockey में puck होता है, but normal hockey has a ball.
Yeah.
Fun?
Fun.
Okay, you got 9. So you have to do 9 or better.
Fuck. I'm sweating.
I don't know why you
I
give me
am
so many
sweating.
clues.
I am sweating.
Just was making random gestures of playing volleyball and shot put.
So the point is, if you know the game, you can also guess the shot put. थोड़ा सा मेरे को लगा था
I
शायद नहीं
had
पकड़
forgotten
पाऊंगा.
what shot.
Yeah.
What was called
स्कूल
shot
में भी
put.
खेला है हमने शॉट पुट.
हाँ, तभी कह रहा था स्कूल में पीटी पीरियड का सोचना.
हाँ,
Like you 3-4 तो वहीं से निकल आएंगे.
कैचम कैच होता है. मारम पिट्टी.
Okay, मारम पिटी तेरे साथ हो गया अभी. Prakhar, I want you to name me in 3 minutes
Yes.
10 countries that have euro as its currency. 3, 2, 1, start.
I know this.
What?
10 countries that use the euro.
Isn't every
As
European...
as the country's currency.
Not every country in Europe uses the euro.
The fuck?
There are some very obvious ones.
भाई मैं वियतनाम से बाहर नहीं गया हूँ.
But this is
हाँ, of course, but like,
तेरा टाइम निकला जा रहा है.
I know.
प्रखर, I'll
think
give
of
you a
some
clue.
obvious ones first.
हाँ.
France.
Tenable,
Fuck yeah. Germany.
tenable,
Fuck yeah. Italy.
tenable,
पिछले 2 साल से मैं एक ही देश की बात कर रही हूँ.
Spain.
tenable. Now think of countries around that. If you even remotely know the European map,
हाँ.
a bunch of countries around that.
कौन सी है? Fuck.
Wow, प्रखर.
Pressure.
Pressure.
Pressure तो है.
Fuck.
Start naming countries, no? Otherwise your time will run out.
But also
Slavic-
he has only 3 lives.
But Slavic area, do you...
But you have to name a country.
हाँ, मतलब वो बता नहीं सकते ना. हाँ ना.
There are more obvious countries you're missing.
Netherlands.
Netherlands is tenable. More obvious countries like that. Yes. Think of all the obvious countries in
Argentina.
Europe. Hey,
One life
not
gone.
tenable. One life gone.
What is that?
अर्जेंटिना कहाँ से आया यूरोप में?
अरे मैं तो नाम ले रहा हूँ ना. उन्होंने बोला ना कि कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, बट यूरोप में ऑफ कोर्स मेक सेंस. मतलब भैंचोद.
हाँ. 5 more to go.
मेरे को नाम
Spain के बगल में. There's right next to Spain is there.
That is a very obvious clue, man. You can't give that.
I mean that was also France. It's already inside France.
फ्रांस तो बोल
फ्रांस
दिया.
स्पेन के ऊपर है.
हाँ. I mean everything is a border. I'm just telling him go for the border areas of these countries you already named.
ऑस्ट्रिया.
It is tenable.
ओह नाइस. मेरे को नाम क्यों नहीं याद आ रहे?
हाँ, that is actually like
30 seconds to go.
कितने हो गए?
6.
अबे प्रखर कहाँ से हो क्या रही है?
ओह
Yes, the
Spain
same one.
and
Last 10 seconds.
अरे वीजा वेदर.
Prakhar is furiously rubbing against the... Just rubbing his hand, not himself. But timer is over.
wow, Sandy, you should not have paused in that sentence. Portugal.
Portugal. So some other countries you could have said Portugal, Ireland, Belgium,
आयरलैंड आया था मैं दिमाग में. फक.
Finland. You could have gone for any Scandinavian country also.
हाँ.
डैम. कितना?
Again, so 2-0 to Ashmita.
Yes, I
So
can't believe.
maybe stop helping her, maybe. You know?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey, I also helped him, but he didn't get it. I helped him
एक तो समझ
too.
गया था.
Only Spain you got.
हाँ, दूसरा कौन सा हेल्प किया था?
Portugal.
आपने कब हेल्प किया?
अभी तो मैं बोल रही थी where
अच्छा,
went and Spain and
Yeah.
Okay. Now again back to Prakhar.
yes.
You'll start.
हाँ, पसीने पोंछने. बोलो.
Okay. Prakhar,
Yeah.
I need you to name me 10 official languages of the United Nations. In 3, 2, 1, start.
I know this.
English,
Tenable,
Hindi,
tenable,
Portuguese,
tenable,
German,
tenable,
Russian,
Yes.
Tamil.
Why do you
Not
keep going back to Tamil?
The oldest I thought होगा.
Dude, we literally had a similar question previously.
Chinese,
Tenable,
Spanish,
Yes.
French.
tenable,
कितने हो गए?
8.
French हो गया.
The other 2 are slightly tricky, but you have 3 lives, so might as well take a swing for it.
हाँ. Go for it. I think I know one of them.
नहीं हिंदी बोलते हैं उसमें. नेपाल.
Again,
Japanese.
Japanese बोल दिया.
नहीं बोला मैंने.
Japanese is not tenable though.
Oh. Korean.
Not tenable.
One
Official
more.
languages are also decided by the sheer volume of people speaking a certain language.
Okay. I said Russian. हाँ Russian बोल दिया.
But Prakhar, just think about the most spoken languages. What Sandy said was the 4th, then the 5th. Remember the 5th language? The Indian fifth language?
Punjabi.
It's not Telugu.
Bengali was that.
Bengali, and you could have also said Swahili. Swahili is an
the
African language.
Yeah,
Yes.
Swahili, yeah.
I don't know why you did this to me. The fifth most spoken language is Bengali, not Punjabi.
अच्छा मेरे को लगा टॉप 5 आप बोल रहे थे तो उसमें पंजाबी तो वैसे भी 9 थी. Shit.
But you still got 8. That's a decent score.
Yeah.
फिर भी दारू मुझे ही लेनी है.
पता नहीं ना अभी. Unless I win the third one. If I win the third one,
हाँ तो फिर तो बंद कर सकते हैं बट फन के लिए कर सकते हैं. डू यू नो these questions वैसे? Like you've written it but like do you remember वैसे?
हाँ, can do.
हम पूछ लेंगे. क्योंकि 3 आप जीत गए तो
एक
हो
अलग
गया
कर
ना.
सकते हैं. एक मैं ढूंढ सकती हूँ. हाँ, Sandy, go ahead.
Okay.
But it is difficult to beat 8.
I'll give you a slightly difficult one. But this, I think you should know. At least a few of them.
Don't judge from before only.
No. I need you to give me 10 animals that appear in the Chinese zodiac. In 3, 2, 1, start.
Horse,
Tenable.
owl,
Not tenable.
oh fuck. Dragon,
Tenable.
snake,
Tenable.
rabbit,
Tenable.
dog.
Not tenable.
What? Give me clues now. Because I got 4 only, no?
4 you got, yes.
And I have only 1 life left.
Yes.
Give clues.
Think of some pests, maybe, or think of some farm animals. Think of some.
Is there any other wild animal left?
Yes. Okay. One animal is very India related.
Tiger?
Tenable.
Ooh, nice.
Because snake already happened. That was the next India related.
Now, also, there is another animal which is very abundantly visible in tourist places in India.
Cow?
Cow is not tenable.
Fuck.
I was referring to monkey.
मैं ऐसे कर रहा.
Okay, I lost this. Can you tell me the other 6? Other 4? Or 5?
Rooster, monkey, goat. Then you had horse, snake, dragon, rabbit, tiger, ox, rat.
Yes.
So that is 2-1 to you.
Yes.
Oh, खत्म नहीं हुआ.
Hey, now
यार.
me again.
So this will then decide ना.
No. This can make it 2-2. And then, yeah.
Oh, ये तो एक्चुअल प्लान गेम शो की तरह हो रहा है. अगर 2-2 हो गया तो फिर फाइनल 5th में होगा. This is not planned, by the way, guys.
Yes, we would have definitely tried to look smarter in that case.
Okay, Ashmita, I need you to name me 10 plays written by Shakespeare in 3,
Oh,
2,
God.
1, start.
Romeo and Juliet,
Tenable.
Macbeth,
Tenable.
Hamlet,
Tenable.
Tempest,
Tenable.
A Midsummer's Dream,
Not the correct answer, but play around a bit.
Midsummer's what? Midsummer's Night?
Now put it all together.
A Midsummer's Night Dream? What?
A Midsummer Night's Dream.
Midsummer Night's Dream. Okay, forgotten that.
That's 5.
5, okay.
Think of Omkara.
Oh,
What was it? Othelio? What is it?
सही है. Almost.
Roundabout, almost
Yes,
there.
yes.
Just maybe एक मात्रा कम कर दे.
Othello?
Yes.
Othello.
Fuck.
Fuck, I can't imagine आपने ओम करा था.
But that was the same,
Yeah.
this thing. That's how I remember Hamlet also, the other one.
Have you seen this old Hindi movie called Angur?
But I've read a lot of Shakespeare when I was a child, so let me just remember that.
Yeah.
There's this all's well that ends well.
That is from.
I've forgotten. Okay.
There were at least 2 or 3 in the curriculum itself, so you can just.
Julius Caesar.
That's tenable. There's another royalty related.
Oh,
How many are done?
7 you got. 3 more to go.
How much time do I have?
You have a little over 1 minute left.
Okay, give me other clues.
There is one about an old king and his daughters.
What? Wait, fuck. What was the one with like the hag seed Monster. That was Tempest, no?
Tempest is already done.
Fuck.
25 seconds left.
Yeah, I'm not going to get this. Ode to something was also there. I've forgotten. Yeah, I don't remember any other.
You can keep a score of 7. That's respectable.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Which were the other ones?
So some of the others you could have said was Merchant of Venice,
Merchant of Venice.
King Lear, then Much Ado About Nothing,
Much Ado About Nothing.
12th Night.
Yes. Fuck, I know all of these. I have forgotten
Yes,
all of
these were all part of a curriculum also. No? Merchant of Venice, I remember it was in our English textbook some year.
I don't remember that. But Merchant of Venice I've read.
I don't even
It was, I think it was 8th or 9th, I think. Somewhere around that time.
थैंक गॉड ही मेरे पे नहीं आया मैं घंटा नहीं बता
I know. I mean, I know, bro.
घंटा नहीं बता पाता
I know. मैं थोड़ा इसलिए मिक्स
मैं एक जवाब देता फिर 2 मिनट की शांति एंड दैट मीन्स वो एक जवाब 1 मिनट में देता
I can't believe I struggled so much with Midsummer Night's Dream.
Okay. Let me find an appropriate one for Prakhar. 7. You have to beat a score of 7.
मैं आप क्वेश्चन पूछे मैं दारू लेकर आता हूँ
Okay. I want you to name me in 3 minutes 10 countries that start with the letter B.
बी
1, 2, 3.
बांग्लादेश
Tenable.
बल्गेरिया
Tenable.
भूटान
Tenable.
बेलारूस
Yes.
बलूचिस्तान
It's not a recognized country. That's not tenable.
Really? It isn't?
नहीं it is not
That's one life gone, by the way.
अगर दूसरी तरफ जा नहीं, you don't go other way.
Go through Africa. There are a bunch of countries there. Go through
Latin America. हाँ.
ब्राजील
Yes, yes.
Tenable. Yes. 5. 5 more to go.
Wow, the silence would be very uncomfortable.
You have 2 minutes to go. There is another one in South America, Brazil adjacent.
मैप याद होता तो बात ही क्या होती
Also, there is a group of islands which is a country which is a part of the West Indies.
Come on.
बहरीन
That's that's a country, yes.
That is tenable. That was not the clue.
Not
I was
is
giving
the-
you,
that's
but fine. It still counts. Yes.
चोद
Not
That's
not
heavy.
tenable.
That is not a country.
10 है भी
What do you mean? Yes, of course. There are literally 200 countries in the world. There are 10 countries starting with B.
B.
You've got 1 minute to go.
oh shit
You're
no,
at
the
6.
fan is so
One more will tie you with Ashmita. 2 more will win you the round.
The fan is super dirty. We need to clean it. Wow, Prakhar is meditative. Prakhar, ask for a damn clue.
I gave so many clues already.
बैंकॉक नहीं बैंकॉक कहाँ से कंट्री है
Bangkok is not a country.
या तो बी से कुछ भी सोच रहा हूँ
B for. How much time does he have left?
25 seconds.
Yes, don't get it, Prakhar, then I win. Don't tie, please. That's ridiculous.
There is one big European country also you're missing. Big in terms of name, not size.
Standard European size only.
1 and that's your time. You could have said Belgium.
बेल्जियम बोला तो था मैंने
नहीं Belgium
बोला?
नहीं बोला था.
Oh,
You could have said Bolivia. You could have said Botswana, Bahamas,
Bahamas कैसे नहीं याद आ रहा था
Benin. Then I'm sure there are more, but that completes the 10.
oh damn
So Ashmita wins the game. 3 to
Prakhar,
1.
you gotta buy me wine.
So Ashmita won that round. 3 to 1. That is fake enthusiasm from Prakhar because he has to buy her a bottle of wine. But yeah, that was our bonus episode. We'll try and do more of these. It makes
I
sense
am
for me
not
to be the
competing
quiz
against
master.
you. Yeah.
So I'll be the quiz master
No,
henceforth.
we
as
don't
well.
need to do quizzes. We can do other shit as well.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
But whenever it comes to quizzes, I'll be the quiz
but
master.
how did we do Sandy
I think I had fun. Like genuinely,
I also had fun. I won, so it was more fun.
Of course.
But yeah, so that's the concept of Tenable. We can do more of these
Yes.
down the line.
Yeah, I did burn some calories. एकदम पसीना छूटा है जो भयंकर. It was fun.
Yeah.
Fitness
Alright,
is my
gentlemen.
passion. My body is my temple.
And
Okay.
on that note, we'll be signing off. Have fun. Goodbye.